For the past 6 months I've been selling digital products on Etsy, and in this video I'll be sharing my income and breaking down the analytics of my shop. I will also answer the question, is Etsy still worth selling in 2023? So let's get started. My store sells printable posters, specifically football, or if you are American, soccer posters. I'm not going to reveal my store name or my products, at least not in this video, but I'm selling football players' art in JPEG format, and the customers can print them and hang them on their walls. Now let's dive into the analytics of my Etsy store. I started selling on Etsy in late October 2022, and I only posted 5 designs and didn't do anything else. Because we pay per listing, I didn't want to upload hundreds of designs from the start. I wanted to see if they would sell first. Spoiler alert, they didn't. As you can see, I didn't make a single sale in October, and I had an average of 2 visits a day. This is completely reasonable because how can anyone find me with only 5 designs and no reviews in my store? Now let's see what happened in November. I almost forgot that Etsy existed, to be honest. I didn't post any new designs because I was still waiting for the first sale. And of course it didn't happen this month either. But my shop began to attract people. I got 223 visits and I averaged around 8 visits a day. I made no sales, but I was seeing some progress without doing anything. And those visits finally paid off. It happened. I got my first sale in December. I was so happy that this finally happened. It was €2 profit or something, but I was so excited about this new opportunity. Then I added 2 more designs with a new style that I thought were cool. And after 2 days, I got another sale. And the next day, another sale. Then I knew that this was working. I had to make more designs. And I did. And those were the results for December. I had 157 orders with a 3.1 conversion rate, and the revenue was €700. From that €700, the profit was €460, and as you can see, I didn't use any Etsy ads. In January, the stats were doubled. The revenue was €1,400, and I had 279 orders and 12,000 visits. In February, I made the same money, with similar orders, but the visits were lower. And the last month was March, which was the best month. At the end of March, I had 500 designs in my store, and I almost made €2,000 in revenue. So, how much did I make from Etsy in 6 months? We have €3,194 from 2023 and €416 from December 2022. In total, I made €3,610, which is $4,060. It isn't a massive amount, but it was passive income. I was working like 1 or 2 hours a day, and the work was chatting with customers and maybe creating a few designs a day. Also, I could lie and say that I made €400 in my first month, but I want to be honest and share my journey to motivate you. You might not have made a sale yet, but I promise you that if you get visits, you're going to have your first sale someday. And if you make similar products to the one you sold, your shop will start generating some income for you. For me, Etsy is worth it for selling, but it's important to note that it has become highly competitive. To thrive in this environment, it's crucial to find a profitable niche and find ways to stand out from your competitors. But you are probably wondering, why did I stop in March? Well, I didn't want to stop. They suspended my shop. You'll find out in the next video. Please like and subscribe.